friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I'm going to prepare coconut lemon rice. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Ghee or butter 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, curry leaf 2 sprigs, dried red chilies cut into 2, 3 numbers, raisins 3 tablespoons, cashew nuts 3 tablespoons, peanuts 3 tablespoons, cooked basmati rice 4 cups, fresh coconut grated 1.5 cups, lemon half piece, salt to taste. Melt ghee or butter in a pan. When it is hot, add mustard seeds and wait for them to crackle. Add curry leaves and dried red chilies and sauté. To this, add raisins, cashew nuts, peanuts and sauté for 2 minutes. When it is golden brown shade, add cooked basmati rice, grated coconut and mix well. To this, squeeze some lemon juice and mix properly. Add some salt to taste and mix well. Our coconut lemon rice is ready. Transfer this to the serving dish and serve hot. Our delicious coconut lemon rice is ready. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.